Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fikemi. Thank you so much for joining me. Now in today's video, I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Q&Q SmileSolar Series 14 wristwatch. Now, if you didn't know, Q&Q is a subsidiary of the Citizen Watch Company, Japan. They are a mass market brand that make affordable and very decent quality wristwatches. Now, if you would like to see what this watch looks like, what's inside the box, then keep on watching. So the very first thing I noticed about this watch is the packaging. Now, I don't know if it's because of the country I'm in, but I've seen this particular watch, this particular series of watch with a different packaging in a different country, but this is what my watch came in, this white rectangular box with the Q&Q logo. And inside was the watch nestled in a protective pillow casing. Now, the box is empty. Yes, you heard me right. It didn't come with any instruction manual or leaflet as to how the watch works, but hey, we move. I had to get all the information of this particular watch on the internet. Now, the watch is very pretty. It has red, it has gray, it has black accents, and it was a very interesting buy. Now, the pillow, protective pillow, is going to make a pretty good pincushion. Now, this watch is made from all recycled materials, just so you know. So just let's get into the details of the watch. Now, on the watch is this paper tag, and on this tag is the Q&Q logo, SmileSolar, and 5-bar water resist. Now, this just means you can wash your hands, shower, or bathe with this particular series of wristwatch. Now, it comes with a tang buckle, and embossed on this buckle is the Q&Q logo. I think they like themselves. Now, another thing I noticed about this watch, now I don't know if it's because recycled materials were used to make the watch, was that the strap was really stiff to pull apart, but still manageable nonetheless. Now, the back of the watch is pretty standard and actually quite sturdy. It's made of recycled acrylic resin, and it is embossed with the Q&Q logo and other information that says water resistant, 5-bar, and made in China. Now, although SmileSolar, this particular watch, is stamped with made in China, only the final assembly process was performed in China. This is still made by Citizen. All the parts are made by Citizen. Now, the straps of the watch are made from recycled materials, and it features an Aztec patterned fabric and a resin band with a tang buckle. And I really like the white accents they gave the strap. It's really pretty. Now, before you start using the watch, you have to take off the protective plastic that's used to hold the dial in, should I use the word, in place. So you have to take that out before you use the watch. Now, the watch comes pre-charged, and you can just turn the watch or push that knob in, and the watch is ready to be used. Now, this watch is solar powered, and the solar panel is hidden right in the face or behind the face of the watch, and it features a 3-hand dial, pretty standard, and a 40mm diameter face, which is quite large, but it's a unisex watch, so if you like your watches on the large side, then this is for you. Now, it comes with a protective film over the face of the watch, so you have to take this off. And don't forget to take off the band as well, the paper band with the water resistant info of the watch before you attempt to wear it out. So this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. Personally, it's a little on the large side than what I usually wear, but since it's unisex, it will pass. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.